Shall we say anyone rhyme? Yes? Telugu rhyme or English rhyme? We'll sing English rhyme regarding on body parts. Okay? Yes. See, hands. Hands on my body. Repeat. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my head thinker. We'll repeat again. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my head thinker. Mummy, my dear. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my eye-seer. This is my eye-seer. Mummy, my dear. Shall we repeat 2 lines once again, children? Yes. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my head thinker. Mummy, my dear. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my eye-seer. Mummy, my dear. Head thinker, eye-seer. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my nose smeller. This is my nose smeller. Mummy, my dear. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my mouth speaker. This is my mouth speaker. Mummy, my dear. Head thinker, eye-seer, nose smeller, loudspeaker. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my bread basket. Mummy, my dear. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my pink cushion. Mummy, my dear. Hands on my body. What is this here? This is my leg walker. Mummy, my dear. Head thinker, eye-seer, nose smeller, loudspeaker, bread basket, pink cushion, leg walker. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. These are my body parts. Mummy, my dear. Thank you. Okay, children. Then shall we begin our Telugu class? Yes, next set of letters we are going to learn. Once before we are reading all the letters, letter part, I will teach you what is the next set of letters. Read, children, once from the beginning until which we learn. For that letter we will complete once reading. Later on we will learn one more line. Okay? A, E, O, O, Ru, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ini, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Ana, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Until here we learn writing and reading also with this letter what picture will come also we know. Okay, now today we will learn one more line, next 5 letters. Okay, once I will read, along with me you repeat. Later on how to write that strokes and all I'll teach you. Okay children, now see here, this is first ya, this is ra, this one la, this is va, this is she. Ya, ra, la, va, she. Okay children, shall I show you how to write this strokes? Okay. Once follow children, this is your Telugu textbook only. From your textbook I am showing pictures. Is it okay? See, here ya letter is there. How to write I will show. This is first circle. From here opposite curve up, then talakattu. One more opposite curve. Okay, this is yeah. Once again I will show. See, from here to circle, then here opposite curve, పైకి వచ్చాక తలకట్టు, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్. దిస్ ఈస్ యా. యా యంత్రము. యంత్రము అంటే మిషన్. ఓకే, యా యంత్రము. ఓకే children, shall we go to next picture? Now see children, ya after ra, only circle, round, then talakattu. Okay children, see, C లాగా రాసి రౌండ్ క్లోజ్ చేసాక పైన తలకట్టు. రా, రవి. రవి అంటే సన్. రా, రవి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ లా. ఫస్ట్ స్మాల్ జీరో, ఇక్కడి నుంచి కర్వ్ తోటి ఇలా పైకి లైన్ టచ్ అవ్వాలి. సేమ్ హౌ యూ విల్ రైట్ ఆ, దాన్నే ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇది ఆపేయాలి. స్మాల్ జీరో, కర్వ్ లైన్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ కమ్ అప్ లైక్ దిస్, దేర్ యూ స్టాప్. ఓకే, లా. లాతో వచ్చే పదం లవంగం. లవంగం తెలుసు కదా మీకు అందరికీ, స్పైసీ వన్. కర్రీలు చేసేటప్పుడు మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు కూరల్లో వేస్తారు. ఓకే, నౌ వి విల్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్. నౌ వి కంప్లీటెడ్ యా, ర, ల. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వా. వాకి ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ జీరో, చిన్న సర్కిల్, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్ పైకి, పైన తలకట్టు. సి ఐ షో వన్స్ అగైన్. స్మాల్ జీరో, ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇలా ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్ పైకి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ తలకట్టు. వా, వంకాయ. యు నో ఎవ్రీ వన్ దిస్. వంకాయ మీన్స్ బ్రింజల్. ఓకే, వా, వంకాయ. Is it okay children? Shall we go to next? This is she. Sha. This is from here. Like 8 you will write now children. 8 you will start like yes. Then you will go like this. Yes sir. ఈ ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్ ఇది రాకుండా ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఇలా ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్ రాసి ఇలా పైకి రావాలి. మళ్ళీ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. ఇక్కడ కింద నుంచి ఇలా కర్వ్, యూ మేక్ లైక్ జీరో, దెన్ కమ్ అవుట్ విత్ ఆపోజిట్ కర్వ్. హియర్ తలకట్టు. సీ వన్స్ అగైన్, ఫ్రమ్ డౌన్
go up like this and come again to down. Then opposite way you will go up. Here talakattu. Sha shankamu. Okay children. Sha shankamu. Okay. Now I'll teach on the board how to write in the notebook. Shall we go once? Everyone open your Telugu notebook. Take your pencil and eraser. I am telling to take your eraser, but without using eraser you have to write correct way with neat handwriting. Okay?
See the board children. Here you must write date. Here C dot W dot. That means class work. We are writing new set of letters. So keep the heading C dot W, and after overwriting in a class work, you have to write 3 pages daily. That means if I give you Saturday or Wednesday, remaining 3 days also you have to continue the work. Is it okay? See children, I am going to start first letter. What I wrote? 0. Circle. 2 lines ki fit అయ్యేలాగా రాసాను చూడండి. From here like this. Okay. Here talakattu. Once again opposite curl. What is this? Yeah. Okay. Now next, take finger gap. Again 0 పైన talakattu. That is ra. Okay. Now next one, small 0, curve line like this, like U. La. Ya yantramu. Ra ravi. La. La what? La. La lavangam. Okay. Next, again finger gap, small 0, only kinda line ki. From here opposite curve, then talakattu. This is va vankaya. Okay. Now last one, it is little difficult once you see properly. From here I wrote curve line. That is not opposite curve line, that is not straight curve line, but from middle we are going to in opposite way. From here loop, come out like with slanting, then you go up with curve. Okay. Now on the top talakattu. See here, curve, from here slanting, again bend inside, here talakattu. Is it okay? Okay. Now we will write next line. 0, curve line, talakattu, another curve line. Yeah. 0, talakattu. Ra. Small 0, curve line. This is la. Small 0, curve line, talakattu. This is va. She. Will you complete all the lines, children? Yes? Until from first line to last line you have to write. Okay? How many days? If I give you Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday also you have to write. If I give you Wednesday, you have to write Thursday, Friday and Saturday also. Yes? Yes. Thank you.